New way to invest without buying stocks. Use your laptop next time instead. Here, I'm Ilya Trudeau. I'm founder of Illiputer Tech Company, and I'm the pioneer of a new business model that we call customer ownership. What does it mean? Simply saying, if you want to buy a laptop or a product, any kind of product, because we have different type of startups. Here we focus on computers. Let's say you want to buy a laptop. When you buy, your money at Illiputer is completely an investment. You're going to receive shares or stocks of the Illiputer plus a free laptop. That's all. But why is it free? Because the money that you want to pay for purchasing the laptop is an investment, and the company is going to issue you stocks or shares of the company. Therefore, your money is an investment, right? Beside that, the company, because loves you, because I personally love mankind, I'm founder of the company, the policy is that we deliver the products for free. And why do we do so? Because we want you to build wealth. From what? With your purchases, with the money that you want to spend for purchasing this product or that product. Here, if you want to buy a laptop, you don't need to go pay money. It's wrong. We are now in 2025, soon we are going to 26, we are growing, new business models coming, emerging trends, new things. Now, at Illiputer, your money as an investment, you are going to invest how much? Let's say you want to buy a laptop and its price is €1,000. By the way, this is made by Illiputer, by our logo. You can have this, but in general, let's say this is $1,000. $1,000. You're going to pay that money as an investment to the company. That's all. And beside that, you are going to receive this product as a gift. Maybe some of you now, you say we don't like Illiputer products. We want Apple, or we want Lenovo, we want HP or other brands. The good news is that we have the both. We have our own computers with our own brands, and also we are giving you or delivering, selling, promoting from all brands. We have partners, and you don't have to worry. You just simply request what you want. You just tell us what you want, that's all. And the money that you're going to pay is completely an investment here at Illiputer. And beside that, you're going to receive this product as a free, as a gift. And as company grows, the value of the shares or stocks are growing, increasing, your money, your investment is increasing. Let's say you invest $1,000 and you receive this laptop, okay? And after 6 years, the value of each share of Illiputer is $100, okay? Now, how much money you have? You have $100,000. Look, out of what? Simply, you wanted to buy a laptop, you needed a laptop, You made a conscious, wise decision to invest at Illiputer, to have stocks of the company, both stocks of the company and a free laptop. That's all. If you want to invest to get stocks in startups, consider Illiputer, because we are official and I'm doing this with happiness, with proud. I'm very happy, I'm very humble, I love you, I want to add value into our societies. Why not? Why not to have such a tech company that you invest, you receive the products for free, and your money is growing? Why not? Look, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Let me know, no matter positive, negative, I'm going to read. If I can, I'm going to reply. Love you all. For more information, contact Illiputer, check our website, check other videos that we have on our channel, and also check the videos that will pop up here or here. I love really all of you. Be happy and see you next video.